Good morning, children. How are you, children? I hope you are doing well. Today, let us start a new chapter of biology. The name of the chapter is Crop Production and Management. We know that, children, all living organisms require food. This food is necessary for our body. Plants can make their own food by the process known as photosynthesis. But animals, including human beings, cannot prepare their food. So, we are dependent on plants and animals for food. In order to provide food for a large population, regular production, proper management, distribution of food is necessary. When plants of the same kind are cultivated at one place on a large scale, it is called a crop. So children, this is the meaning of a crop and definition of a crop. Again, I will repeat this definition. When plants of the same kind are cultivated at one place on a large scale, it is called a crop. Crops can be classified on the basis of the season in which they grow. Now let us see the types of the crops. First one is Kharif crops. Crops which are grown in rainy season are known as Kharif crops. Second type of crop is known as Rabi crops. Crops which are grown in winter season are known as Rabi crops. Now children, you have to list Kharif crops as well as Rabi crops in your notebook. Now, cultivation of crops involves several activities. These activities are known as agricultural practices. So, farmer follows these agricultural practices. Now, the first step of these practices is preparation of soil. Second one is sowing. Next one is manures and fertilizers. Next is irrigation. Next is protecting from weeds. Next is harvesting, and last one is storage. Now in children, in manures and fertilizer concept, we will be studying about advantages and disadvantages of manures and fertilizers. In irrigation topic, we will be studying about sources of irrigation, traditional methods of irrigation and modern methods of irrigation. In protecting from weed concept, we will study meaning of weeds, how and when to remove weeds, and how to use the weedicides and the uses of weedicides we will be studying. Now come to the next concept, that is the storage, children. So in this topic, we will be studying how to protect our grains at home and in godowns. Now children, farmers uses agricultural implements in their fields. So what is agricultural implements? Actually, these are the tools which are used in the fields to do farm work. So for example, plough, hoe, cultivator, seed drill are known as agricultural implements. So in the next lecture, I will be explaining you structure and function of these implements. Now children, let us see the next topic, that is crop rotation and fixation of nitrogen by rhizobium bacteria in soil. These two concepts also I will be explaining you in the next lecture. Lastly children, we also know that animals provide us food. Now for example, they give us milk, meat, eggs, etc. So farmers rear these animals in their homes or in their fields. So animals which are reared at home or in farms have to be provided with proper food, shelter and care. When this is done on a large scale, it is called animal husbandry. So in detail, I will be explaining you children all this concept in the next lecture. I hope children you will enjoy each modules in the next lecture. So children, study well, eat nutritious food. Have a pleasant day children. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you children.